On this episode, I grind some gears. I say crack
This big ass crack.
twice.
This big old crack. It's now filled up.
Good morning. Welcome back to another Welder's Journey episode. It's currently Saturday morning and I was called late yesterday afternoon to come and do a welding job. Join me and let's go see the truck because I don't know what kind of job we have to do on it.
A colleague drove the truck inside yesterday and I have to move it to weld it, but we can't find the key, so I'm trying out different keys of different style, same as trucks, but no luck. I'm wasting a lot of time here. Finally got the key. There we go. Grab a gear. Here we are. After a good wash, we gotta fill these cracks out, prepare this crack, this crack. Fill this crack and repair this big ass crack. Everything gouged, grind out. Now it's time to weld it. It's a bit nasty, you know, but I'll do my freaking best, man. Need to grind it a little more over here. Here we are, finished. We stopped a little bit earlier than expected, so that's really good news. Gonna put the truck outside, give everything a once over, and go home. Here she is. Job finished. Fix the cracks on here, the crack down there, the other big crack on the other side. My colleague put a new booster. Fixed the crack right over here, and this big old crack is now filled up. The smaller one back there too. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.